Hello, I'm Siyona Bose, and welcome to my channel, Learning Bose Live. And today, we're going to learn how to find the quick squares of two-digit naturals, method 2, which only works for numbers which end with 5. Now, I know it's written here two-digit naturals, but actually, I've exceeded 2 digits. It's not a problem, actually, because it's the same method. After all, the same method we're following. Now, before I begin, I have a small request. Please watch this video till the end, because it may be useful for everyone. Now we can begin. First, we will have to find 45 squared. Now, conventional method would take so long, but see the magic of this method I'm showing you now. We need to divide this number into 2 segments. I'm underlining the 5 and double underlining the 5 and single underlining the 4 because there are 2 different calculations to do for different numbers. For 4, we need to do something special. 4 needs to be multiplied to its consecutive number, 4 plus 1. 4 into 4 plus 1. 4 into 5 equal to 20. And for 5, you know, it's very simple. 5 squared is 25. Immediately from here, we can understand this number has 4 digits. But like in the previous episode, I'm making a slash because the answer is derived from 2 different segments. 20 from 4 and 25 from 5. So 45 squared is 2025. Wasn't it simple? I told you conventional method would take so long, whereas just see the magic of this method. Isn't it easy? Now, we can move on to 75 squared. This too follows a similar method. Again, I need to underline it separately. First segment is 7. 7 into 7 plus 1. 7 into 8 equals 56. And for the segment of 5, you know what it is. 5 squared equal to 25. And from here also, we can understand the number has 4 digits. And slash, you know why? Because it's derived from 2 segments. 56 and, 25. So, 75 squared is 5, 6, 2, 5. Yes. Now, I told you that we would be doing 2-digit naturals in the heading, but actually, we are doing 3 and 4-digit numbers. Here we are. Now we can move on to your 3-digit numbers. Now, no need to take tension. It's really simple. Now, here the question is which one to take for double underline and which one to take for single underline. Well, we always take the 5 as double underline. Means it's not done in books like this, but I'm just putting underlines for making it clear to you all. And obviously, the leftover 30 has to be under single underline. Explanation. Same thing, 30 into 30 plus 1. the whole, obviously. 30 into 31. 930. And 5 squared. 5 squared is 25. From here, clearly we can say there are 5 digits in this number. And putting a slash. 930 comes from first segment of 30, and here we have 25. Ultimately, 305 squared is 93025. Now, the next one is 995 squared. Now, this looks very big, like when you say 999 squared, you get afraid, isn't it? And similarly, we have 995 squared. This may make you afraid, but don't be afraid because we have a tool, method 2, for solving squares. Number 4, 995 squared. Again, the double underline goes under 5, and the single under 99. Explanation. 99 into 99 plus 1. 99 into 100. 9900. And 5 squared, 25. Clearly, this number has 6 digits. Putting a slash again. 990025. 995 squared is 990025. Wasn't that so easy? Just to get 995 squared, it only took a few minutes, and if you can, I've done it in a long way for explaining. But if you do this in mind, then think how fast it would be done, isn't it? Last squared is 1005 squared. Last 5, number 5, 1005 squared. Now, this number won't attack you, it won't eat you up too, even though it looks very big and massive, and that is squared, makes you more afraid. But don't worry, methods is on your side. We have a single underline under 100 and a double underline under the 5, as you know it. Now, 100 segment. 100 into 100 plus 1. 100 into 101. 10100. And 5. 5 squared equal to 25. Clearly, from here we can say this number has 7 digits. One zero one zero zero 25. 1005 squared is 101025. Weren't these methods so easy to solve big squares? But remember, this method is only used for numbers ending with 5. It cannot be used for other numbers. Hope you liked this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. In the next blog, we will discuss on Tidbits of Mathematics, Episode 4, which is Quick Squares of Two-Digit Naturals, third method. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell button.